Okay, we're back, and this is the third tutorial on how to get the inserts digitally set up so that the laser can make them. On the screen is what we left off with, which is this nice red 3-inch circle that we made to fit our pocket in our coaster blank. And so we're going to do the machine settings for this now. So here's the next step. Down here under settings, we can choose what we're going to laser. There's a library of choices. So what we're going to do is use that, not fully, but partially. And under natural, by hitting this plus, you can head down and find wood. Hit plus on wood, you can head down and find different kinds of wood. Hit plus on medium wood. We are picking birch right there. And so once you pick birch, you need to tell it how thick a piece of birch that you're going to be lasering, because you got to cut all the way through. So it's 0.125 inches. So you got to select inches as your unit, and it's 0.125, and hit apply, but don't hit enter. Now head up here to the manual control. When we set up for birch, medium wood, 1/8 inch thick, these are the settings that the laser has decided based on someone else's programming. They've decided that we need 100% power for our red cut line, 10% speed of the laser's possible speed, and 300 pulses per inch of light. So this is not quite right. We're going to click on the 10 here, and we're going to change the speed of the laser to 3.5. Just key it in and then push set. When you push set, you should see it's at 3.5 now. Everything's good. Hit apply, push OK. Now you can follow the document at the laser for how to set up the laser to cut, focusing the laser and positioning the material and everything else, and that should get it done. But there's the settings. Right now you would take your computer to the laser because you're ready to go, and then follow the document when you get there. One last thing is, I would suggest cutting one and testing the fit, and then once the fit is determined to be good, then you can go over here and you can make multiples. So you could make in the X direction 2, and in the Y direction 2 more, and when you hit apply, you're now cutting 4. But don't do this until you've tested one and make sure it works properly. And then after that, just multiply it and run it again. Okay, and the last one is, it's kind of cool. Once your settings are in, you can push this little estimator and you can hit start, and it will estimate, that's a nice sound, it'll estimate how long the job's going to take. So you kind of have an idea. So this is like a 2-minute burn, and I will have 4 pieces. Or 6. They got to be in multiples of 2. So, oh no, I guess not. Let me do that again. Say I needed 5 of them. I'll go back. We'll go back here for a second. Go back here, and I guess what I could do is just go 0 and 5 and apply, and get rid of this one. Just 1 down there. Apply. There you go. So you can do as many as you want. That's it for this video. Hopefully you're all set up, and then you head to the laser and it's a great success. All for now.